Are you tired of forgetting to follow up on important emails? Learn how to set exact deadlines for tasks in Gmail in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you how to open tasks in Gmail. Then, I'll walk you through creating a task and adding a deadline with just a few clicks. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage. Then, click the blue circle with a check icon on the right sidebar to open the Tasks panel. Now click Add a Task to create a new task. Type in your task description. To set a time for that task, click the 3 dots next to it. Then click Add Deadline. Now, choose your deadline by clicking on the date you want. Finally, click Done to save it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.